Industrial Automation Services by Neo Automation. Started in 2003 as Neo Automation Private Limited. We deliver a unique level of automation and Industry 4.0 solutions for the past 19 years. With its unique integrated solutions, Neo Automation caters to the customers globally. We serve diverse sectors such as automotive, industrial and material handling, process, textile, and bottling industries. Due to the universality of textiles and the ever-growing demand for high-quality garments, the textile industry gradually started looking for the latest and most modern automation solution. PLC engineers perfected communication between machines and MES to achieve a high level of automation with data traceability. At Neo, we believe in establishing a strong foundation for your automation journey. Autonomous guided vehicles are a cost-efficient material handling process, whether you are transporting pallets, cartons or other items around your manufacturing facility or warehouse. Virtual commissioning and digital twin. With Neo Automation's virtual commissioning solutions, you can troubleshoot automatic control logic and PLC code in a virtual environment before moving to a real environment.
Do you want to harness the power of automation with core expertise? Then contact Calcon, the UAE partner for Neo Automation, to elevate your industrial automation solutions.